Welcome to It Came From a Podcast. This is our round table for Les Oscars.
It's a square table.
And that's Ricky right there.
It's a rectangle.
And we also are joined by three other ladies. Say something.
Say your name.
Hi, I'm Allie.
See, that's Allie.
Kate.
That's Kate.
I'm Chris.
That's Chris.
Chris.
And that's Ricky Casvan.
What's up, guys?
And we're here to talk about the Oscars, as I just said. And did everyone here see the entire 3-hour event?
Yes.
Unfortunately.
I did not see the red carpet.
I saw.
Oh, no, you know what? That's a 4-hour event then.
parts of
4
the
hours. I didn't see the red carpet
We
at
saw
all.
parts of the red carpet.
So, do you guys think it should be as long as it is, first off?
What, the red carpet?
No, the Oscars. 3 hours.
Yeah, I don't mind. To be honest, I don't mind the length. I like it.
I know.
I enjoy it, yeah.
It's one of my favorite nights of the year, so I look forward to it.
I'm surprised that it went over 3 hours, considering that they ended up
It was 3 hours and a half. 3 hours and a half.
cutting the speeches for a lot of people with the thank yous.
8:30 to 12.
I'm lowering
Wait,
the fan, so it's going
For
to get
some
hot
people,
in
I
here.
feel like it's shorter than others.
Yeah, like
I think if you're watching it live, I feel like it's... We didn't watch it live, by the way. We heard the announcements, and then we saw it afterwards.
We watched it live.
Yeah, but watching it, you know, I think live
was
is probably
torture.
a different...
You didn't like it?
It was way too
But do you
long.
like award shows?
I just, the whole way that it works, it just...
But do you
That's
like
a no.
Do you like award shows?
No, because I don't like how they're picked. You know, I don't think it's an accurate reflection.
I think that's the thing. That's the thing with the Oscars is that now a lot of people are with that mentality that it doesn't matter. The Oscars really don't matter,
Man, at the end of
and
the
I
day-
sort of understand.
It's all subjective, whoever you pick. It's not like it's like...
Well, of course, that's what I'm
Best
saying. It's
Picture,
someone's
it's
choice.
subjective,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
so-
someone else's choice. It's not like what's that Teen Choice Awards
Yeah,
thing?
but there's problems with that too. Like, whatever the new obsession wins 20
A trend,
awards. You
yeah,
know, like,
trends, yeah.
come on, vampire movies, Twilight. I mean, for years they were taking home everything
But
just
they were taking home
because
like MTV awards.
But let's
That's
be
what I'm
honest,
saying, the
though.
Teen Choice
Twilight
Awards.
was a really fun series.
the book series.
I'm joking, by the way. I hope everyone disagrees right away. Okay, so
let's start. I think we should start off. What's everybody's favorite movie of the year? I think we should probably go around and see what everybody kind of.
all right, you go first, Ricky.
All right, my favorite movie was Ex Machina.
Really?
That was really
Oh, you
good.
mean
I love
overall,
Ex
not
Machina.
just
Of the year, favorite movie of the year.
Not
Oh.
Star Wars, huh?
So for me,
You're a
like,
cruel person.
But the thing, Star Wars, like,
Good
it doesn't.
choice,
It's not even like
Ex
fair for me to pick it. Like, I feel like it's like for me, it's like on a category of its own. So I'm not even gonna. But yeah, Ex Machina was my favorite movie.
All right, so Allie.
Oh, you're gonna have to skip me.
Okay, so, Kate.
I'm gonna go with Mad Max.
Okay.
Everyone just nodded right now. Everyone's like, yes, yes,
Yes.
It
yes.
was really good.
That was
Except Allie.
What? No?
No.
Okay.
How about you?
Mad Max. Well, I think Mad Max is gonna endure the test of time. Like, I think that's the best
Yeah.
movie. It has like the most rewatch value. I feel like you can watch it again and again and again and again. But I also it is a tie between Ex Machina
Ex Machina was
and
good.
Yeah, Ex
Mad
Machina
Max.
was really good. I think the issue is that you have a lot of good movies, and I like even if you tell me right now what's your favorite film of all time, I'll give you like 50. So I'll never just say one, but I'll go with The Martian just because it's the one that I personally had so much fun watching.
I thought Hateful Eight was really good
Hateful
too.
Eight was good.
I think it was
so
a
many
little
good movies.
underrated.
Yeah.
There's so many good movies, and there's only so many movies that you can nominate.
Yeah, I think the thing with Hateful Eight to me though was that the structure was a little weird. I'm used to Tarantino with the weird structure,
supposed to
but it
be
just felt like
It's a-
that you can cut the intro
It's a
out.
play.
Yeah, I know exactly.
It's
That's what I'm
a
saying.
play.
It's a play. It feels like a play.
I hear he's gonna transition into that.
I don't
Yeah.
know. Yeah. That's what he said
Well, he
on
wants
a
to do a
round
bunch
table.
of other things.
He wants
yeah.
to be like a novelist now.
He had a
Yeah.
round table and he discussed wanting to after his how many movies he's making 10? Is that it?
10 is his, he says he's doing 10 and he's
Well,
retiring.
he says. Well, actually, he said he's like, I don't want it to seem final. He's like, I just that's what I'm aiming for.
Yeah.
And that's what I want to do because I want to do other things.
Of course, yeah.
So I mean, I think when you say something like that, I think it also means that like he's willing if something happens and something comes up, like he'll do it. He just doesn't want to direct anymore as much. So
Yeah.
Basically,
Actually,
he's
yeah.
saying, I do what I want.
yeah, basically,
Like
which is
anyone
what
else.
anybody does.
I think he got good for best director. I think he should have got nominated.
You know what? I think he deserves. He's really good at what he does.
what,
he does it in the most unique way that
Having
I've
the
seen.
balls to shoot a movie in like 70mm, which hasn't been done.
Yeah, but you know what it is
since,
too?
like-
It's the race thing. That movie like had a lot of controversy with the whole racial tension behind
He
it.
always has
But he-
controversy,
Of
no
course,
matter what
but
he
right
does.
now, this year, that's another thing that we'll transition over to. By the way, Ellie, do you have a favorite yet?
No, I
Just say
really
you love
don't
them all,
know.
then.
I do like. I can watch anything, and like
Yeah,
he
you
sits
know I
with
do.
me through every single type of movie. So, was there anything that stood out that we talked about that I really liked?
I don't know.
I mean, all I can think about is Deadpool, but that was this year. I really liked
Deadpool
it.
was really
That was this year.
But I can't think of anything from last year.
Just say The Martian
If
because
you were
haven't
to
seen
make
it.
a
I haven't
movie,
seen it.
like if you were to make a movie, which one of the movies would you have made?
That's a good way of looking at it.
Ooh, that's a
That's
nice one.
like
That's a good.
that's why I chose
Mad Max?
Ex Machina
Oh,
and
Mad
Mad
Max.
Max.
That's the.
Because
for me,
if
Ex Machina was for me.
would have been like
Pull
in
up a list of
production
movies
with one
that
of those
came out in
movies, those are the
Every
two
single
movies I would
movie.
have
No, just pull up a list of 2015 movies.
fine.
That's so much easier for me to
You missed
do.
your movie.
Just do The
That's
Martian
fine.
because look, you haven't seen it, but when you watch it, you'll be like, that was my favorite.
You know, I wouldn't doubt it though.
The Martian was really,
The
really
Martian
good.
I wouldn't
was so
doubt it.
good.
You know
I
what?
like
I
it.
didn't care for The Revenant as much as other people did. People were like, "Oh my
It's
god,
a
it
very-
was so artistic," and I was like,
loved
"This
it.
was so full of shit."
It's
Yeah.
such an emotionally driven film though. That's
Yeah.
all it is, you know.
Yeah.
And I was telling Kate that I can see this in my head play out black and white and silent because of just
Because
the
it
expression.
basically
For me,
was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was beautiful and the performances
thing-
were great.
It
the
was.
story
It was more visual. It was more visual. for
It
me.
was a very
But see,
visual
that's,
movie.
That's kind of how I felt about Mad Max. There's not a lot of story there. It's more visual than anything.
Yeah.
But the simple story that is
Right.
there is good
Right.
and it works
Right.
for the movie.
Okay, so we were talking about the Hateful Eight, the whole racial tension thing going on, and I'm going to use it as a transition to
But
the
what's the
actual
problem in
Oscars.
Hateful Eight?
There's a lot of racial tension.
But look at
But that's
his
no.
other-
Yes, I
look
know.
at
But what I'm saying is
Django.
that this year specifically it matters because the Oscars is going through that as well.
But see, here's the thing. The Oscars has always gone through that. It's just for some reason this
This year
There's
has
African
exploded.
Americans in Hateful Eight, right?
Yes, I
So
know. But
that's
what I'm saying is that
completely different
the
than-
Oscars is doing the whole whitewashing thing is sort of affecting the Oscars in a very heavy way. Hence the whole.
But I don't.
But
I,
Hateful Eight wasn't whitewashed.
yeah, I don't.
No,
I
I
don't think,
know, but
I don't think
you're saying
Hateful.
it's like
I
racial-
agree with
There's racial
I agree with
tension.
Kate. I don't think it falls in that category of the whole whitewashing controversy.
Right.
thing.
That's what I'm saying.
I just
Two different issues.
I don't know why.
No. Look, what I'm saying is this. There's racial tension
In the
behind the
story.
Hateful Eight.
I'm feeling
and
some
now
racial
the
tension
Oscars,
here.
Yes, because I'm
It's like
Hispanic
there's-
and you're white. But so, with that being said, white people laughing. This was sort of a big meme that came out of the Oscars, where people had all like the cuts from the Oscars of just the white people laughing at Chris Rock's jokes. Did you guys see that?
Yeah.
I haven't seen it.
For me, that's not even the most.
I'm not,
There
I'm gonna
was
look for
there
it.
was one cringeworthy moment of the ceremony. It was the Asian joke.
Yes. With the
The
kids.
3 kids came out.
The worst part for me was that they don't know what they're doing.
No,
That was the one cringe. I had
No,
many.
the
I
big-
was
the biggest.
cringing
That-
throughout.
that and it was that one and what's her face and Stacey Dash.
The Stacey Dash.
Stacey Dash one was
That was so awkward.
yeah, that was
That was
yeah.
very awkward.
I don't know why she would even agree to do that.
I don't think she understood.
No, I think she,
I think
What was
it went
happening?
over her head easily.
I think she thought that they were serious. I think that's what it came down to.
Yeah. So, anyways, so
I have my favorite movie.
which
Oh,
one?
yay.
Yeah, it's a tie between Inside Out and Charlie Brown. Did you guys see it?
Charlie Brown was really good.
first of all, Charlie
I know
Brown.
it
You're
sounds
so cute.
ridiculous.
No, Inside Out was good.
I
You know, the
love-
thing is, people don't
I
give it as much credit because it's
cried
animation.
so bad. But see, that's my
Hold
thing
on,
is that
Charlie Brown's in this movie. It's called
the Peanuts movie.
Oh, but it's
But-
about Charlie Brown.
But it is about Charlie Brown. But the message behind both movies, like, again, you're right. I don't think anybody really gives them credit because they're animated.
I
They were
think-
funny. They
I
made
think
me
Inside Out was that
cry.
good.
I thought it was good.
I
I'm
think it was as
pretty
good as
over-
everybody else. As
It's
everybody.
over their heads.
He
to the
says
children.
this, but he got emotional during Bing
Oh,
Bong's.
I did,
Yeah.
but I think it was as good as everybody else made it out to be. It was a good movie.
I didn't think I was going to like it. I will not lie. When
It's
I
not-
first saw
it's
the
not Up.
trailer, I didn't. But
Oh,
see,
I
Up,
think it was way better than
the
that.
beginning of Up
It's
is
not-
the only
it's
part
not
that's
brave.
memorable.
I
I hate
agree with
Brave.
All right, guys, you're all racist. So let's talk about is Hollywood racist? Because that was the question that pretty much Chris Rock asked and then answered right after.
Yeah?
That's a tough.
He just
one.
said yes, and in a sense, it is right. I mean, let's be honest. I actually liked what he said, which was they're sorority racist.
Yeah.
Okay,
which
I
it makes a lot of
hated
sense.
what he said.
You hate that he said that.
Because he goes, is Hollywood racist? Hollywood is the nice kind of racist, sorority
Yeah.
racist. All racism is bad racism. How
But-
can you say that there's a good racist and a bad
But
racist?
everybody's a little bit racist.
Of course course, but
Everybody.
that's the point, is to be self-aware and to work towards real change. When you make a joke out of a serious issue, I didn't
You have to remember that's the whole point of him being
Here's-
there. Is to
yeah.
sort of
No,
break
but
the ice.
Here's my
Yeah.
thing.
But he
Here's my thing.
downplayed something that's serious.
Here's my thing. And this is the issue that I had with it. If you would have done all the racial jokes or whatever he was gonna do in the opening monologue, that was fine with me. That was fine with me. My issue was that it was the theme throughout the entire
It was
night.
nonstop. I felt like I was being lectured.
Would you have been
in a
hold on.
I
tasteless,
definitely
tactless
laughed
way?
when he was playing the Martian character. And
That was
Whoopi
funny.
Goldberg, or they're
That
like,
was-
"Do you
that was
see a
funny.
black person?"
With one that's like,
And they're like, yeah, and they're like, "I don't see a black astronaut. I just see an astronaut." And they leave.
Yeah.
And then Whoopi's like, "I told you."
yeah, no, that was So we're talking about that because I want to bring this up at the same time that the Oscars were going on. I think it was either Fusion. I think was hosting I think it was Will Smith and Russell Simmons threw a black version of the Oscars at the same time, which I was like,
I don't even know. I didn't know about
I think
that.
I think they took like I don't know. I think the other side too. I think they took it a little bit too.
See, this is the thing, though.
far. The whole
It's
boycott and
not an
everything,
easy
it's like-
topic to discuss. And with Chris Rock, a lot of people didn't want Chris Rock to do, to host, which I understand as well, right? If you want to boycott something, I mean, you can see how long this conversation alone can be with Jada Pinkett Smith doing the video, and everyone's like, wait, okay, so first, there's all kinds of ways of seeing this. There's really no easy
The
answer
problem
to
with
this.
the issue with that is that I didn't feel it was genuine.
No, I just felt it like it was like
It
this.
It was
Look,
a bitter wife.
It was like, oh, my
That's what I'm
husband
saying.
didn't get
Yes.
nominated, so
And it's
I
like-
have had those rants where I've been talking to people and I'm like, Ricky deserved to have, this or that, or he should have gotten, but when you put it out there and you try to get a bunch of people on your side to then give up something for your cause.
Of course,
Because
yeah.
it doesn't feel like it's the cause of her people. It's the
yeah.
cause of my husband didn't get nominated for a movie.
which might not be the
People
case.
will-
It might not be the case, but that's what it felt like.
People are saying this. If Will Smith was nominated,
They would have been there.
there would have not have been a video.
Yeah.
And I believe
No,
that. I actually
agree.
believe that.
I agree.
And I think she would have been there. She probably even would have made the video if he was nominated and didn't win. You know what I mean? So I don't know. It's just it's a tough issue to
it's
discuss.
tough. I'm glad we're discussing it, and I hope we see more.
I think, well,
Yeah, no,
it's
we're
funny
gonna,
because
it opens the conversation.
the
Yeah,
president,
that's
the
open
president of the
conversation.
Academy is African American, so you would think that having an African American president of the Academy, it'd be more
I
diverse.
don't think it's the Academy's fault this year. Like, we saw Creed, for example, and I thought Creed was a good movie, and I think the director should have been nominated for an Oscar.
Agreed.
But I don't think that Michael Jordan should have gotten nominated for Best Actor.
You know what?
Yeah.
I liked him, but the thing is, even
I
when
don't think that was, and I think
I
Sylvester
compare
Stallone
him-
shouldn't have
All right,
gotten
but what
nominated
about
either.
Exactly.
Okay,
No,
but what
he
about,
got nominated
all right, but what about
because,
what about Idris Elba? Beast of the Nation.
But you know what the problem with that was? The movie itself got released onto Netflix.
okay,
It
that's fine,
wasn't
but the Academy members saw it.
Okay, but I don't think it made enough of an impact on them in order to.
I think they're just going
he's
for
a-
theatrical
and I
things
think
now.
he's
Like,
and I think
No,
he's
it
very very talented.
was up for
oh, it was.
contention. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the issue though. It's like it goes back to like what's your favorite film? You know what I mean? Like you can't really you have to narrow it down.
he won.
and then they're also let's be honest.
He
There's
won. He won the SAG award.
And let me point
for
something
Best
out.
Supporting Actor, so it's
Leonardo
like-
DiCaprio lost twice to two African Americans, and you didn't see him like he lost to Forrest Whitaker, and he lost to Ray.
Forrest Whitaker in one movie.
I can't remember the movie.
The
And-
Butler.
No.
That was before.
This was before, and to Jamie Foxx.
for Ray.
Yeah.
But Jamie Foxx. Oh, that was the Aviator.
That was The Aviator.
Yeah, Leo should have won for that.
And he won, you know what I mean? So like it's very easy to say that somebody could be like, oh well, 2 years in a 2 times I've gotten nominated, somebody else beat me, and Will Smith lost also to I think it was Forrest Whitaker
Yeah, no.
or it was Ray.
When he did Ali.
It was one of them. Yeah, when he
Ray,
did Ali.
yeah.
Which
So
he probably
and the
should.
Pursuit of Happiness, I think they both lost.
Yeah,
to,
so I mean, the truth is,
Can't say-
it's always gonna come down to like some really good films.
Yeah.
and someone's always gonna lose.
That's the point.
Now, the whole racial tension with the Oscars was very awkward because it was like as soon as you're like, okay, let's get to the movies, and then
That's
it
what I'm
goes
saying.
back to Chris Rock,
That's
and then
what
it
I'm saying.
becomes like a guilt fest, and then people are laughing. They're like, should we be laughing to this horrible truth that we're making light
had
of?
they stuck to it in the opening monologue, I think would have been alright. Like,
Yeah, exactly.
do
That's
it,
what I expected.
get out of the way, but to keep it going the entire
Yeah.
night. Granted, a lot of it was fun. Like, I laughed.
He had to, of
I
course,
laughed.
it's Chris Rock. You know,
But
you
isn't
expect him
that
to.
what we do anyways?
Yes, we
There's
do, but
always
I
a
think the
sense
problem
of
is.
guilt at all times throughout, like everything.
And I think that's what he was like aiming for. Like I think he
Yeah.
wanted to make everybody feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what,
yeah,
that, no,
I
that's
agree.
what
I was
it is.
very
Yeah.
He was doing his part in a sense by not boycotting it. By
the only like I said, the only two parts where I really felt really uncomfortable was the Stacey Dash moment.
Yeah, that was really
and the three Asian kids.
There was a part where he was talking about African Americans being shot by police,
Oh, that
and
was
people
bad.
laughed and cheered.
oh yes, it's true. It's true. It's true.
They laughed and
No, but
cheered.
there was also a thing about somebody getting lynched or something.
That's not
That-
a
that-
joke.
that one
I
was-
just
I
think
agree.
it
Of
was
course,
all
yeah,
I agree.
tasteless and tactless,
I don't think
and
it was,
I did
I don't
not
think it was all
enjoy it.
tasteless. I think there were
There was some
there
good
were moments.
ones,
Yeah,
I'll
there were
agree.
moments.
But I'll say this overall, the thing is, what do you expect people to do? Like, you know, sit still and just cringe, you know what I mean? But that's
even-
why everyone's clapping, because he's a
It's funny
comedian, he's
because
telling a joke. It's
but
true.
Even though
but it's funny.
people were laughing, if you look at the reactions, a lot of it was like awkward
Yes,
laughing.
it was.
Like,
And
I
the
don't
worst
know, I
part-
don't know if I should laugh. I don't know if I shouldn't laugh. Like
Normally,
They were looking to see
Well,
what's
when you-
next to them when they were
when
laughing.
you have a camera in your face, you're not gonna be like this.
of course, that's
Yeah.
what I'm
You know what I
saying,
mean?
though.
Like, so it's like-
but also, it's the fact that you have cameras pointing at you, so it's like
You have to
aiming
do
a
something.
gun at someone.
Yeah.
Because it's like, come on, show the world how funny you think his racial joke is. You know what I mean? You're a white
Yeah.
person. You're a white person. Laugh at it.
Unless
yeah,
you're
it's great.
Kate, which you can just have that face on the inside.
I will be that personality.
Yeah.
Like,
No, I was gonna say it's like I'd be the guy nodding like it's true.
Yeah.
No one did that though. You know, no
This
one.
would
seriously,
be
it's true. It's sad. It's not
that was
funny.
me the entire time.
You know, it's serious. It's
Okay, so
not a
look,
joke.
now that was like our hour on that.